And good Saturday evening, folks. We do have a first alert weather day for overnight tonight and tomorrow afternoon and evening. So 2 possible rounds of severe weather. The more widespread chance will be coming on Sunday. A more isolated chance coming overnight tonight, mainly in the Southern Valley. But we'll talk, of course, in greater detail about that in just a couple seconds. Here's our Luther Family 4 Skycam showing things quiet for us this Saturday evening. So if you are planning still on stepping out and enjoying your Saturday evening, conditions are prime to do that. We did have those clouds in Minnesota. Those are slowly but surely dissipating and pushing off toward the east. Now off toward the Rapid City area, we do have some active weather just south of Pierre, and this will help to feed some of those showers and storms moving through the Southern Valley in the overnight hours and eventually through our Minnesota neighborhoods in the morning hours tomorrow. Of course, I'll break that down hour by hour in just a couple seconds. In Fargo, the current temperature 69 degrees. A little bit warmer for our friends across the river, 75 degrees right now at the Moorhead Airport. That pressure is steady. Temperatures in the low 60s for our friends in Langdon and Roseau. 62 also in Bemidji, 69 in Fargo, as I just said, but 72 in Grand Forks, a little bit warmer up toward the north. 73 still in Sisseton, Fergus Falls, sitting at 77. Here's what we're looking at for the potential risks for any severe weather we see overnight tonight or tomorrow afternoon/evening. So the slight risk of severe weather includes Fargo down through Sisseton and off toward the east. That is 2 out of 5 on the severe weather risk scale. In the Northern Valley, that darker green is the marginal risk of severe weather. That includes Grand Forks through the Devil's Lake Basin, Roseau, Lake of the Woods County, Bemidji as well, which is 1 out of 5 on the severe weather risk scale. So the better chance of severe weather will be in the Southern Valley tomorrow. Main concerns, large hail and those damaging winds over 70 miles per hour associated with that cold front. Now, if any cells develop out ahead of this cold front, an isolated tornado will not be out of the question. So here's the hour by hour. We'll be watching very closely to see if any storms develop there in central South Dakota. And as we see as we go through the, say, 3 a.m. hour, looks like there is some of that development pushing into our southern neighborhoods. Again, this is in the depth of the overnight where we could see these strong severe storms in the Southern Valley. As we go towards 7:30 a.m., we see temperatures in the 60s up north, 60s and 70s off toward the south, and still perhaps some showers or storms lingering in our Minnesota neighborhoods by 7:30 a.m. By lunchtime, it looks like we do get a bit of a break from any of the active weather, but I will be turning my attention at lunchtime into the Devil's Lake Basin, where we do expect that cold front to make its way into our northwestern neighborhoods. And you can see the temperature difference here between the areas ahead of the cold front versus the areas behind the cold front. We see those low to mid 80s off toward the south, but those low 70s off toward the northwest behind that cold front. So as we go into the early afternoon hours, I do expect that to move through the Northern Valley, and I expect that to move through the Fargo-Moorhead area roughly around 5 o'clock tomorrow. And look at those northwest winds coming in behind this cold front as well. So much cooler and drier air is moving in behind this cold front. Now by 8 o'clock or so, 8, 9 o'clock, probably this time tomorrow, I do expect this to be clear of our eastern neighborhoods, and we do see gradually clearing skies through the overnight hours Sunday into Monday, and will be quite a bit cooler as we go into Sunday and Monday as well. You can see that clear sky really does push its way in there late on Sunday. So that is what we're, of course, expecting. The hourly forecast shows in Fargo things fairly quiet for us through the morning, but it's around that dinner time hour that we'll see those winds shift to northwesterly direction, along with that chance of those strong to severe storms associated with this cold front. So it's a good time tomorrow to have that VNL weather app, especially if you're going to be out and about enjoying the outdoors tomorrow. So high pressure moves in for Monday after that agitated weather with that cold front on Sunday. Look at how cool things get there Monday morning, those mid-50s, but then we stay fairly quiet, Katie, through the first half of next week, but heat and humidity returns late next week, and with that comes the chance of more showers and storms.
We'll definitely have to take care in the overnight and into tomorrow is definitely the major takeaway.
Yeah, exactly, and we'll be watching it here all night long.
All right, well, thank you so much, Nathan.